So if you want to move an image or a video in Davinci, what you can do is also go here. You can also go here. I'll select this video, and you can also use this, but you can also use this position here if you click on inspector. Now we can change the position. Let's say for this video, you see position here. Now we change the position up and down, left or right. And that's one way to change the position, but you can also click on this icon here, and now we can move. And I think it's much faster. But if you want something precise, you can absolutely, if you hold here, you see this line of left and right. You just hold, and now this line, this line. If you see this, just hold, and now you can move left and right. So I hope this short video helped you. Thank you for watching.